Who do you think is up first in attempting to hijack your soundtrack? The news media, some shock jocks. Their business model is, if it bleeds, it leads. They'll use inflammatory words, intense harsh emotions, and repetitions in an attempt to keep you locked into fear and therefore tuned in. Within seconds, they can hijack your soundtrack. What else? Where else? Who else will hijack your soundtrack? What about noise pollution? Yes, city traffic, horns, ambulance, sirens, construction projects. Even the cell phone notifications, and the worst of all, those people who are committed to playing their phone conversations out loud at full volume. It's not just annoying. Harvard research study released in 2024, last year, demonstrated that it contributes to high tension, hyper blood pressure, and cognitive decline. Don't let them hijack your soundtrack.